know you've probably seen fireworks many times, so this might not surprise you anymore. But for some reason, this spectacle always gets to me. I've seen fireworks hundreds, maybe thousands of times in my life. But yet, every single time, they still inspire me. They still something inside. The explosions, the sounds, even the smell in the air. They wake new hopes, new expectations. There is this moment when you just stop, freeze, and simply enjoy the view. Even if just on your screen, look at this miracle.
It was loud.
Yeah. And that feeling is absolutely extraordinary. So guys, pause for a second. One of the greatest inventions of humanity, truly. And yes, credit where it's due, the Chinese were the first to create it. And trust me, the brightest flashes at the very end, so don't switch this video off.
Yeah, it was good. It's cool. I'm hearing the reaction of these kids over there. It's so good. Especially, I love the reaction of people over there. I love the reaction, the kids behind us. What just happened, Kira? Why are we here?
Well, it's the Freeze Fest. It's a thing that happens here in Edmonton. 3 days here. Today is the Francophone. Tomorrow is the Ukrainian Cultural Day, and next is the First Nation.